Ragi or finger millet is a super grain. It's gluten-free, rich in fiber, which helps with weight loss and diabetes. Plus, it's a sturdy crop, which means it can grow in high altitudes and withstand harsh weather conditions like droughts. And today we will make Ragi Halwa, also called as Sheera in Maharashtra, which is a tasty and nutrient dense recipe. You can eat it as breakfast, snack or dessert post meals. So let's get started. First, take an iron kadai, put 3 to 4 tablespoons of desi ghee, also called as clarified butter. Add few cashews. Roasting cashews in ghee gives it a really nice flavor, so don't skip it. Add 1 cup of ragi flour and roast the flour nicely on low flame. Also prefer using iron kadai since it retains more nutrients compared to those harmful teflon coated utensils, and also it provides the necessary iron in the body, which helps in preventing anemia. Keep on roasting and don't let any clumps form. You will notice the color gets a wee bit darker. That's an indication that the ragi flour is roasted. Add 2 to 3 spoons of Jaggery powder and now mix. Add water or milk depending upon what you have. Milk will give it a richer and a fluffy texture. You might notice the halwa sticking to the iron kadai. Don't worry, that's because the iron kadai doesn't have any coating, which is a good thing by the way. Taste and adjust the jaggery powder to your liking. And now mix. Apply some pressure using the spoon to break any clumps formed. Add a little cardamom powder. Take it out in a bowl. And top it up with a little ghee and your favorite chopped dry fruits. Prefer using almonds and unsalted pistachios. And now enjoy this nutrient-dense halwa warm and reap the benefits of iron and ancient grain ragi.